Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Nvts stock, which as of Friday was up by 3.38%. We're going to be speaking about that. We're also going to be looking at everything which played out over the course of last week. If it does sound like a good video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. As always though, do remember I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so you should make sure you are doing your own research and coming to your own conclusions. Now of course, coming straight into this one, a few things standing out. As I say, we are up on Friday by 3.3%. This really does add to a trend that we've seen playing out since Wednesday, where the stock hit lows, and again lows that we have seen back on the 14th as well, right around the 12.50 range. Again, since we are seeing this one move to the upside, this is of course what we would like to see. At the same time, we are coming up to levels where we are facing some resistance now. You're looking at numbers such as 1470, you're looking at 1485, we have seen this in the past, resistance all the way through here, and again, we're just not able to break it, or weren't able to break it on Friday. With this being cited, I am looking for this one potentially to come down to levels around 1375, maybe slightly lower at 1350, and then of course hopefully consolidate and retest those levels. If we can break above that, I'm looking at 1530. I am looking at higher levels such as 1590 for the next potential push. If we cannot, like I say, I'm looking to either come back down to these levels or maybe retest lower levels such as $13 on the dot or possibly below. So a lot could be coming in the next couple of days. Really, these are the levels that I'm looking for. And yeah, that's really it, guys.